forced love is one of the tropes which is quite popular in Thylacon. These are usually due to the male lead driven by obsession. Although some people criticize this form of love and even do not consider this forced love as love, but still it is a popular genre amongst people. Here's a look at 10 forced love stories in Thai dramas. Number 1. Lehratri. Kate's father stole money from Sek's company, and when he finds out, he starts looking for Kate's father. However, Kate's father runs away. When they find him, he has to go to the hospital because of a heart condition. There, he decides to sell Kate to Sek to pay off his debts, and because he knew Sek's family wanted an heir and would take care of Kate, Sek gradually begins to fall in love with Kate. Meanwhile, Sek's ex-wife Itzela doesn't believe Sek has moved on to Kate and continuously chases after him. A solid Lakon with well-written characters. Good watch for new and old Lakon viewers alike. Lehratri only has 12 episodes, but it wrapped up all these plot lines in ways that made sense and were satisfying to the viewers. Number 2. Sut Sai Pan. Titik meets Gandoi Mani in Frajoit and falls in love with her. Unbeknownst to Tit, Gandavmani is using her elder twin sister's name Gandavasi for herself, therefore tricking him into thinking her real name is Gandavasi. She later leaves him when she grows tired of him and finds out that he is the poor son of a merchant. Tit is heartbroken and tries searching for her unsuccessfully. I recommend this drama to people who are into cliché, cheesy chemistry between male leads, slap kiss, possessive male and innocent female lead. Number 3. Nabi, My Step Darling. After her sister and former manager Sirin disappeared mysteriously, Nabi takes it upon herself to investigate by becoming the beautiful manager of Dubai Club. The club belongs to Pichachai, a man whom Nabi respects as someone she is indebted to. Pichachai is a married man. He and his wife Vari have a son Kaveen. Kaveen, who is studying abroad, returns to Thailand to investigate his mother's death. Kaveen misunderstands Nabi's intentions with his father and thinks she wants to become his stepmother. Will these misunderstandings resolve? How will their complicated relationship end, in love or in pain? A very cliché typical Lakon, like many others. This one keeps you invested till the end. The main leads, Joss and Fa, were good. However, certain scenes they did were hard to watch because the acting was a bit shaky. Overall, it was an okay drama and would recommend. Number 4. Phai Sin Chua. Oravi and Tan are a perfect couple, but they have no children, so they decided to adopt a boy and a girl, Ekong and Achari. The adopted siblings then fall in love with each other, only to be separated by their parents by trying to marry them off to different people. This was an okay drama. The storyline is very catchy and yes, it's weird at first, but then it's a Lakon, so don't take it too much to the heart. Number 5. Kanla Krang Neon Nai Hua Jai. Fasai is heartbroken after her ex-boyfriend cheated on her, yet he still has the nerve to ask her to take him back. So, to avoid him, Fasai's friend took her on a trip to Japan. While she was there, Fasai was held at gunpoint by a Hong Kong mafia named Daniel Wong. The man was shot and needed a place to stay that night, so he ordered Fasai to take him to her hotel room. And that's how the story began. Number 6. Konla Kop Fa. Chanika returns home from abroad because her father is in the hospital. Upon returning home, she learns that her father is in huge debt and they need money to cover the medical expenses. Her college roommate introduces her to a high-paying job out in the suburbs. Chinapat is the owner of a rubber tree plantation and hires Chanika as a favor to his cousin. They don't get along because Chinapat has anger management issues and there are rumors about him. In order to avoid being engaged to his mom's friend's daughter, Chinapat asks Chinika to marry him for a large sum of money. Will they ever learn to get along? Number 7. My Sin Rai Phai Sawat. Patavi's and Chichabat's father has built a successful business together. Unfortunately, Patavi had committed suicide after Chichaba's father had cheated him and resulted in his family wallowing in poverty. Patavi returned as a multimillionaire businessman to take revenge on her father. She was forced to become his mistress for a year in exchange for her father's mansion, the last piece of her family fortune. Number 8. Rain Tawan. Kate returns to Thailand after studying abroad. At the same time, her younger brother is accused of murdering Naipu's sister. She believes that this is a misunderstanding and tries to convince Naipu that he needs to look for real killer. Naipu is eager to take revenge from her brother and their entire family. Number 9. The Illicit Wife. Fa is a young lady who meets a man named Kate while working as a host at a car show. Kate falls instantly in love with her and comes to her aid to fight off a purse snatcher. When he offers to drop her off at the hospital to visit her father, she agrees. Kate receives an important phone call and Fa, not wanting to be a burden to him, leaves without telling him. Suddenly, she receives a phone call from her stepsister's boyfriend saying that her stepsister is hurt and that he's coming to pick her up. When her stepsister's boyfriend picks her up, Kate sees her getting into the car with him. Meanwhile, Fa's dad is ill and her stepmom owes a large debt to Kate. He sends Fa to work as a maid at Kate's house to pay off the debt. Kate grows angry with her when he sees other men flirting with her. Fa doesn't understand Kate's sudden change in behavior. Hanging on to the memory of their sweet first encounter and to the thought of her father who needs the money for his hospital treatment, Fa perseveres despite the hardships. Number 10. Payu Sai. Naresh, the secondary heir of Punarav Golf Club, must return to Thailand urgently because his half-brother Naren has vanished. He meets Sai, his brother's personal assistant, who is his unforgettable first love. Together, they embark on the journey to solve his brother's disappearance. So which of these Thai lakons do you recommend? Please let us know in the comments down below. Also, please be sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.